been working nightly. If you think you'll win, nah, so likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, but I don't know if that can erase all the games. I create my own lane, make a treasure out of pain.
You think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are not a thing exterior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last. And just believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I will never switch to what I know. I don't take it. I got no love for the big wins. If you wanna play tough, I wanna hate this, I'll always show up. My size making, I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take it. I got no love for the try me. If you wanna play tough and wanna fight it, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits though that I spend. Everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only in my head, I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it, I'll take a bad loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, sweating, I never back up. I don't miss a thing, I'll regret it. I'm always learning, you can call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic.
I never got anyone